Hello traders, what's going on? Thanks for tuning in today's YouTube video. My name is Darius and today I'm going to show you how to trade the EURUSD, GBPUSD, gold and the USDJPY. So I'm going to analyze it from a smart money concept perspective, which means we're going to identify all the key levels, all the liquidity, how this liquidity can be used, and this is on how we're going to trade it. So I'm going to start with the higher time frame. So we're going to have a look what the weekly is showing us and to also understand on the long term what these pairs can do. Okay, then I would say let's get it right into this video. Don't forget to check out the inner circle if you would like to get mentored by me to be part of our community. You will get the whole strategy that I'm teaching there. So what I use every day, step by step explained, plus weekly team calls, plus daily markups. So every trade that I'm taking, I'm just sending it before I'm taking it to the inner circle. I'm showing to them, okay, I see here liquidity in lower time frames. So we have 2 or 3 possibilities and everybody will take it on their own. Everybody knows exactly what patterns we're looking for, and that's basically it. Okay, let's go. So GBPUSD, higher time frame, very interesting. I explained to you already the last time that I expect price to go potentially very aggressive to the upside because we tapped into it already here at this weekly demand zone. We have another one a little bit below, so one of these twos will definitely bring the price to the upside. Right now the question is which one. So it's way too far to make there any predictions. Therefore, I'm just looking right now in this range where the price is, and I'm switching to the daily time frame to understand what the price could do from that perspective. And yeah, it just gave us a little bit like, so it tapped into this liquidity point. Okay, price then reacted to it, and right now we have the option this or this. Okay. This is something which we cannot determine just by looking on a daily time frame. We will need to go a little bit lower to see if the lower time frames can show us something. Well, yes, we grabbed already some liquidity points. We tapped into this zone. Let's see if this zone will push it like that and we can then get involved here, or price will drop lower and we will get involved there. But keep in mind, everything below here is strong liquidity, so price could anytime reverse again. My idea is just that price will do something like here to give here again. Okay, after such a strong move down, which we had here in the past, you can see that was a strong move down. We had the same here. Price afterwards, yeah, started pushing all the way back up. And my idea is from a daily perspective right now that price will tap into a supply zone. Okay, more than likely this one is what I expect. Therefore my long-term view right now, or not really long-term, but from a daily perspective view, it's long, and this could be a second option. So we just need to understand what the price will do. If it will give us here some confirmation, will it really accumulate the positions to push up higher, or will it just make a new redistribution phase to drop it lower? So there's something which we need to decide by ourselves, because I cannot predict that. I can just react on the current situation that the market will give us, and right now I'm not sure what it will do. I just can give you right now this thing. It reacted at this 1 hour level of demand pretty good, as you can see. And potentially from here price will go like this. That's one option. Or we will go like this and then it will drop like this. Okay, so not clear, but more than likely bullish from my point of view. Let's go to the EURUSD. Well, EURUSD is about to be very strong bullish from my point of view, because we tapped into this weekly level of demand. And what should we expect there? Well, probably something like that. Probably will go a little bit lower and then pushing up higher. Not sure what it will do at the end, but looks for me right now super bullish, so that it will be super bullish. Right now it's still bearish, as you can see, so it's just way too strong momentum right now to the down. So look at this, how cheeky they push the price up higher and then just boom, grab the liquidity. So will this liquidity be used right now to bring the price up higher? Not sure, really not sure, because price didn't really switch here. So it's just way too bearish. So on the euro, I would just wait, to be honest. So if I'm just looking at 4 hours, it just doesn't look like price will reverse very soon. So it could be, but not sure about it. Because yeah, it took liquidity, right? It used the liquidity to push the price up higher. So right now we have the option to go in, to get involved into a long, or price will go lower. These two options I see right now for the euro. Let's go to gold. Yeah, on gold, explained that already right now several times. So you know already my view if you watched the last video. So from my point of view, this is a nice POY for shorts. As you can see, price tapped into it, pushing it already to the downside. The real question is, are we going to push up higher or not? Okay, there's something which we need to watch right now to monitorize what the price will give us. It looks like price just is about to grab this and then to push it up higher, or it will use it like this. And if it will use it like this, then we can look for a short here. Long can be found here around that area. Everything below this, yeah, something here. We can also look for a long. USDJPY. Yeah. So USDJPY is also super interesting, to be honest. So we've seen here price targeting this liquidity point one more time. So I explain to you like this. So let me just push in here. That was my point. This is why price dropped lower. Right now we peaked above to get a little bit more liquidity, and look at this. Price created strong move down, then it targeted this liquidity, pushed it already to the upside. And my idea is price will very soon go lower. But before it will do that, I think that we will push it like this, and then we will see short movement. Of course, price could just continue bullish, but more than likely, I expect something like that. One push up before dropping lower. Looks like that right now. So you can just see how strong these candles are. We could just map out here some zones. This one here as well would be interesting. We got also this one, which is interesting for me, and the last one here above. Okay, so we got 3 POIs for the USDJPY for shorts. Which one will hold at the end is not clear. We just need to wait to see how the price will react to these levels. Okay, but yeah, that's it for today's video. Hopefully you know how to trade these pairs this week. So it's going to be a very interesting one. I will update you through the week if I see something interesting. More than likely, GU and Euro I see it bullish. Therefore, also gold could be bullish. But of course, it's not confirmed yet. Price could just drop lower. Euro is in strong bearish momentum, so we need to be very careful with Euro USD. USDJPY looks to me super bearish. But of course, also here price could give us some movement to the upside. I see it anyways going on the longer term still bullish, but right now I see it bearish. That's my view currently. So hopefully you got that one. ID. See you then in the next video, my friends.